Hello, I'm Katie with WTI, and I want to share with you something that I think everyone needs. I am very lazy with my jewelry, and unfortunately, I've let some of my favorite pieces tarnish and get dirty. This is the Ultrasonic jewelry cleaner from Groupon, and it has literally brought light back into my life because my jewelry is shining again. It's just so easy to use. You can just fill it up with water, add a bit of soap. I even bought some special ultrasonic cleaning fluid to put in it, and then you just turn on the timer, and within 5 minutes, your jewelry is shining. For pieces that are extra dirty, I do recommend running it through a couple of times. You can use this cleaner with rings, glasses, earrings, bracelets, and even a night guard. For cleaning watches, it also comes with a special stand to lay the watch on, and for smaller pieces, it has a basket to place the pieces inside. It's so spacious that you can clean multiple pieces at once. Only just be careful when cleaning precious stones. The cleaner comes with an instruction manual that will help you decide which pieces you can clean and which ones you can't. I'm just so glad I can clean my jewelry now at home. So now you know, try it for yourself, and that is my point of view.